We shall take it. Good stuff, Chris. Put him in a live well. Top of the morning. Beautiful sunrise. Got my guy Chris out here. Got a little turny morning, bro. Looking good. Hoping for a good turnout for us. Get 6 biggins in the boat, come in way and get this bread. The mission is simple. Real simple. It's gonna be a super calm day. Like little to no wind, what, not till maybe later. Water temp, cold. That's all I got. I didn't turn my other unit on yet. But we gonna get after it, man. We stop talking, man. I'm ready to get after this tournament. Blast off to this first spot. Get after. See you guys on the chesty. Let's get it. All right, spot number 1. Chris, there's just a few fish on my craft right now. We have not made it inside this point yet. This will be threading the needle. Cause there's good. Need that? Oh yes, sir. Just get them close, bro. That's all you gotta do, get them close. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, Chris. Maybe a solid 3 for sure. Fresh fish on the boat. Let's get this money, dude. First fish, 8:30. Let's keep it moving. All right. Cloud cover, a little bit of chop on the water equals crankbait. Sorry, equals jerkbait. Something with a bill and makes them eat. It's not a duck. It's wood in that corner. I just want to check that next. All right, wind, slow it down now. Oh, I thought it was. When I pulled up, she was definitely like pulling back. Come on, Amir, be more strategic. You're not being very strategic. I think you're winging it right now. You can't wing it out because they're not winging it. There you go. 11 o'clock update. One in the tank. My hands are freaking frozen right now. Been like high 30s all morning. And we got a small situation. Control the motor. We just lost a fin, some rocks, it's all good. We got a second one coming up strong, okay? So we're gonna get that off real quick, get back to fishing. Seen some good fish on brush piles. Got a little spot there, definitely wanna go back and visit again. It's been kind of tough, but I think we can pull it off, man. Just keep at it, keep your heads down, keep grinding. We're gonna keep at it, guys. But a little surgery on the boat here. You want brand spanking new or don't matter?
What?
Brand spanking new nut or anything like that? Sorry about that. Fun times, right? What's that? Come on, just keep bringing. You are a dude, dog.
Damn that color, dude. Sam picked that fucking crankbait too, dude.
Alright. We'll take it. We shall take it. Good stuff, Chris. Put him in a live well. If I can hit a fish. So what about you're working on the limit. I'm working on the
Big. Yeah. Go ahead, dog.
On the kicker fish. 11:30. 11:35 fish. Good stuff, big dog. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, but you can kind of get away with like tungsten heads if you don't have like a really sensitive rod. Oh damn! I can't hold my I can't hold.
Come on. Got the bigger fish.
Let's go, dude.
Oh, what the fuck?
Just keep tension. Did you feel head shakes? I'm sorry, like
Also, I think I'm on a cable.
there shouldn't be one out here. Well, just hold tension and I'll get the boat over. Not letting go of this fish, bro. He's a little sucker. He's a little sucker. Little sucker. Little sucker. Hold on. Let me get my line. Yes, indeed. Thank goodness. I helped the team a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Against that wall again. Yep. She'll keep. Oh yeah.
Damn, right there too. Good deal. 3 fish, bro. Is that
3
knuckles?
Yes, sir.
Good deal.
That one was a good, like, dunk swim off. You know what I'm saying? Let that be the fish god saying, let the bait drop right there. You're going to catch a fish. Because I definitely messed that up a little bit. So, like I said, don't get me wrong, bro. Like, it was a grind, but you got to come in with them.